Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. Today's craft is going to be a patriotic heart. How cute is that, right? What a cute wall hanging. So I'm going to show you how I put mine together, and so you can go ahead and create your own. A supply list is going to be at the end of the video as well, and just keep on coming back. Make sure you share, do all the things, and let's get started. Started with this project, we're going to go ahead with this metal heart. This is from the Dollar Tree. Do apologize, that's kind of shiny through there with the light reflecting on that. It does come with this little hanger. We are going to use this as a hanger kind of thing, so I'm going to leave that. We're going to leave that just because why not? For the inside portion of our heart, we're going to do stripes. This is a striped napkin. I believe I got it at either Walmart or at Party City. That's where I think I got it. Um, but we are going to use this for inside here. And what I want to kind of think I want to do is we're going to take the outside here and we're going to trace it out with a pen. Make it a little easier to putting it in here. Now I have not separated my plies yet, so let's hope that even after I cut this, we're going to be able to separate our plies. Now I'm not going to be able to get my iron in this, and so it may end up a little wrinkly, but I think that's going to be okay because it's kind of flag-like. Um, I think it will be okay. We're going to just roll with it. No, I got the heart from Dollar Tree, the metal heart. I've also seen them in star shapes and circles as well. So you can kind of apply this to whatever you find. And this doesn't have to be metal. They have these wood shaped too. You could do like a box or something. You wanted to do that. Kind of trying to go a little bit on the inside of my line here. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna take this is my Mod Podge. I'm just using the regular Mod Podge. I'm gonna try get my finger a little sticky, and there we go. Separate my plies. This is just a 2-ply. Oh, got it, and then it went back together. And be careful with it. There we go. That was almost too easy. Too easy, I think. Look at that. It fits in there perfectly. All right. Take that back out again. All right. Let's get the paintbrush and start coating our Mod Podge in here. Don't go too heavy with it because it is a napkin. It doesn't need a lot, but you got to go quick because Mod Podge does dry very quickly. I will give it that. But you don't want it too heavy because then it will definitely wrinkle up your napkin. Oh, didn't get it perfectly back in there, but you know what? I'm okay with that. I think it'll be fine. And I kind of like the wrinkles. Kind of do. I like it. Really easy. And you can paint this. If you don't want to do or can't find the striped napkin, you can paint it. Definitely, I would recommend getting uh, like a chalk paint and you can paint the metal. But I didn't, I wanted to look like straight lines. So there's that. We are going to stick this little wood heart on the inside and it's going to be kind of raised. So on the wood heart, and I just got this, it's just a wood cutout heart. I actually got it at, I believe it was Joann's or Michael's. You probably get them anywhere, really. Um, but we are going to, this is another napkin I got from Walmart. And I like the way it looks. Just trace this out here. I want to rip my napkin with my pen. This one I'm okay if I hangs over because I do want it to actually hang over a little bit because I actually do want to I want to sand it to give it the kind of a rough edge. So do a whole bunch more with that. So again, this one is totally okay. It's not perfect. In fact, I don't even know why I'm cutting it. I could just put it on there. In fact, I might just stop cutting actually. Okay. And again, bring our brush back in. Oh, and I put that brush. Of course, I put that brush in water. Let's get it. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. There we go. And that is kind of on there. Perfect. Oh, I like that. And again, if it gets wrinkly, I'm okay with that. This though, however, you could, if you don't want it to be wrinkly, I could get my iron out, my little crafting iron. Um, and if you just reheat the Mod Podge, you can take out the wrinkles. So totally okay. And actually, look at that. It's not that wrinkly at all. Perfect. We're going to take our Gator sander. This is 120 grit. We're going to go in a downward motion and we're just going to take off the edges. I'm just going to clean up our edges here. I love these little Gator sanders. I got mine at Lowe's. I've been told you can get them kind of all over, so kind of keep an eye out for them. Might even be able to order them on Amazon. There we go. Perfect. I am going to take some antique wax. We're going to kind of give it a little bit of a darker feel. Just going to take wet baby wipe here, and we just want just a little bit. Just gonna tone down the stars a little bit. They're a little bit bright, shiny. There we go. Looks better. Just gonna get this out of the way. We're going to bring back in our metal and we want to put this. Now you can just put it directly on it. I kind of want it to be like raised up a little bit. So I got this Jenga block. We're going to put the Jenga block on the back of this heart here. Now, wood on wood is okay to glue. This, however, you know what? I think I was going to use my E6000, but this is not on metal. It's on the Mod Podge. So you know what? We're going to just attempt it. See how well it goes. Get the center here. I like how that lifts up. I like how that looks. That looks great. Now, final thing is, I kind of like it just like this. It's pretty cool like this. But I've got some of this, it's almost like a garland. It's the wire that has all the stars, sprinkly stuff on it, and it comes in a circle. I got mine at the Dollar Tree, but I've seen them at Walmart too. And basically, I'm going to put it up here. I think I'm going to cut this one though in half. I'm going to do one more. We're going to put these, twist them together. They stay together. Spread them out just a little bit here. Like that all the way to the top. Just going to kind of give it some flair. And then I'm thinking we're going to do, I got this ribbon. This is from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to just do, I want to just do a simple bow. Nothing too spectacular here. Stars are only on one side, so I'm trying to keep it to where we can see stars. Oh, see, it turned on me. That in there. And if I change my mind, don't have to do all this star stuff, but I kind of like this. I don't like it. Where this is going. So cute. How cute is that? And simple and quick, and it would be a great little gift for somebody. I mean, this would actually look really cute hanging in like a bathroom or, on a counter or, from your in your kitchen off of one of your drawer knobs or something like that. This is really cute. So keep on coming back and see you more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky, and happy crafting.